I made this video to show you what comes with the Klein circuit tester breaker finder and how it works. My new breaker finder circuit tester comes with a 9-volt battery. To install the 9-volt battery, a Phillips screwdriver will be necessary. Unscrew the handle, black part of the handle area, and insert the 9-volt battery, and then tighten down the Phillips screw. Once that's done, the unit is operational. It's just got a button right here that turns it on, and that turns it back off. Next, I'm going to plug in the transmitter and the circuit tester. This will check your GFI outlets. If you press this button, the GFI will trip, but it's also a transmitter, so I can take my receiver down to the breaker panel and identify the breaker that corresponds with the circuit, and I can turn that off, and you can see that the transmitter goes off. So that's how you use the Klein circuit tester breaker finder. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.